protein, fiber, and produce are typically present in a balanced breakfast. Eggs, whole wheat toast with toppings, nuts, and green tea are simple options to consider when putting together a healthy morning meal. It's a good idea to eat breakfast in the morning. Others need a source of energy to get going, while some people prefer to skip breakfast. If you like breakfast, selecting healthy foods may give you long-lasting energy and keep you satisfied for a long time. These foods typically contain large amounts of protein, fiber, good fats, and micronutrients. Even though it's best to stay away from unhealthy options that are loaded with sugar, refined carbohydrates, and additives, it's not always simple to make a decision. As a result, the list in this video will assist you in creating a nutritious breakfast. These are the top 6 breakfast foods and beverages. 1. Greek yogurt. For a quick breakfast, Greek yogurt is a fantastic choice. It is created by separating whey and other liquid from milk curds, resulting in a creamy food that has a higher protein content than regular yogurt. Additionally, compared to other protein sources, it has fewer calories. A 1-cup serving has 149 calories and 25 grams of protein. Greek yogurt also contains a wealth of healthy nutrients, including calcium, vitamin B12, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus. Probiotics, such as bifidobacteria, which support digestion, can be found in some types. Look for the words "contains live and active cultures" on the label to make sure your yogurt contains probiotics. Another excellent choice is Icelandic yogurt, also known as skyr if you prefer a more creamy, high-protein food. To increase your intake of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, try topping your Greek yogurt with berries or chopped fruit. 2. Oatmeal. A traditional breakfast option, oatmeal is also healthy. It is made from oats that have been rolled or steel cut and contain a special fiber called beta-glucan. By delaying stomach emptying and inducing the release of peptide YY, a hormone that makes people feel full and may help them resist overeating, this soluble fiber not only lowers cholesterol levels but also encourages feelings of fullness. In addition, oats are a good source of selenium, manganese, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins. Additionally, each cup of them has about 10 grams of protein. Make oatmeal with milk rather than water to increase the protein content. You can also add protein powder or serve it with a side of eggs. Though oats don't contain gluten, they are frequently processed with grains that do, which raises the possibility of cross-contamination. As a result, those who suffer from gluten-related disorders ought to pick oats that have received the gluten-free certification. 3. Berries. Berries are delicious and rich in antioxidants, including blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. Most contain a lot of fiber, which encourages feeling full. Each cup of raspberries and blackberries has an impressive 8 grams of fiber. Additionally, depending on the type, 1 cup of berries only has 85 calories. Berries also contain anthocyanins, an antioxidant that gives them their distinctive blue, purple, and red hues. Anthocyanin-rich diets are associated with decreased inflammation and a decreased risk of diseases like heart disease and some types of cancer. Additionally, anthocyanins have been linked to improved brain function and may offer protection against the effects of aging on the mind. Berries are available all year long, both fresh and frozen. For a tasty breakfast, mix them into Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, oatmeal, or a fruit smoothie. 4. Whole wheat toast. Try whole wheat toast if you like a simple breakfast in the morning. Toast made from whole grains is rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates that digest gradually and don't immediately raise blood sugar levels. On whole wheat toast, you can spread a variety of nutrient-dense toppings, including fried eggs and tomatoes, avocado and chili flakes, peanut butter and banana, cottage cheese and strawberries, sliced figs and honey, tuna, sliced turkey or chicken, baked beans, egg salad. Try sprouted grain bread for more fiber and protein. 2 slices have about 8 grams of fiber and 10 grams of protein. 5. Green tea. Green tea is a calming beverage that can help you wake up in the morning. Caffeine, which is present in it, raises mood and alertness. Only 30 to 70 milligrams of caffeine, or roughly half as much as the same serving of coffee, are present in 1 cup. Additionally, it contains a lot of L-theanine, a substance that encourages a calming effect and may lessen the jitters associated with caffeine consumption. It might also lessen anxiety and raise the mood. Green tea contains the antioxidant epigallocatechin gallate, which guards against degenerative diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and mental decline. Additionally, although more research is required, it might have a minor impact on metabolism. 6. Fruit. Try fruit if you need something to eat in the morning but don't want a full meal. All fruits are high in fiber and simple sugars and have comparatively few calories. Fruit fiber helps your body absorb its sugars more slowly, providing you with a steady supply of energy. Additionally, you'll receive a variety of vitamins and minerals depending on the fruit. Oranges, guava, kiwi, strawberries, papaya, acerola cherries, and lychee, for instance, are high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant and essential for maintaining healthy skin. Other fruits high in potassium include bananas, oranges, cantaloupe, papaya, and mango. In addition, depending on their color, fruits offer a variety of polyphenol compounds and antioxidants. Guava, for instance, contains a lot of lycopene, and purple plums are rich in anthocyanins. This is why it's crucial to consume a variety of colored fruits. Eating whole fruit may provide several advantages, according to research, including a lower risk of heart disease and cancer, lower rates of depression and poor mental health, healthy aging, and better gut health. Fruit juice lacks fiber and won't likely keep you full, so it's best to eat whole fruit the majority of the time instead. Finally, combine fruit with high-protein foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese for a well-rounded breakfast. Try to start your day with a healthy meal if you like breakfast. Though there are many different breakfast options, those that are high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals are the best. It is also simple to prepare a variety of nutritious, healthy foods and beverages in the morning. Fruit, whole grain toast, eggs, green tea, coffee, and protein shakes are a few of these. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.